Nankan Town is located in northwestern Kumamoto Prefecture. It's a beautiful town where people live in harmony with nature, blessed with lush greenery. Nankan Town is steeped in history and tradition as well as culture. The town offers enjoyment of wonderful experiences throughout the year. Plum trees blossom in Koshodai no Sato Park.
これが登り窯って言うんだ。
ね、初めて見たね。
ね、すごい。
すごいね。
ね。
Earthenware has thrived since ancient times in Nankan Town. There are 9 potteries making earthenware with unique styles of their own, including Shodai ware, which has been made since 400 years ago. This pottery offers workshops in which visitors can learn directly from professional Shodai ware potters.
難しい、本当に。
What you make will be the only one of its kind in the entire world. Mount Otsu is a symbol of the town. Otsuyama Aso Jinja Shrine is located at the foot of the mountain. Known for its miraculous powers, it has attracted many worshippers since ancient times. Otsuyama Park is renowned for its cherry blossoms. The entire area has been designated as a natural park, and visitors can enjoy a variety of flowers and seasons. This is the historical Nankan Tea House site. When feudal lords took turns attending on the shogun, they ate lunch or stayed here on their way to Edo. The building retains the atmosphere of days gone by. A Nankan Shukubamachi Dengakunin is a volunteer guide. Be entertained with a serving of matcha tea. Moreover, a variety of events are held here throughout the year. Nankan Town offers all kinds of experiences. There are workshops for making beautiful take-akari hand-carved bamboo lampshades. They take about an hour to make. A light is placed inside.
上出来ですか？
上出来です。
これ持って帰っていいんですか？
もちろん大丈夫です。
The town is one of the biggest producers of bamboo shoots in the prefecture, and many products are also made using bamboo. At Yamachiku, craftsmen have continued hand-making bamboo chopsticks that are light and flexible. Nankan rice is cultivated taking advantage of the abundance of nature and clear water. Carefully grown Nankan rice has won high appraisal within and outside the prefecture. Nankan Town has many delicacies. Dishes made using Nankan somen noodles and Nankan age fried tofu are particularly recommendable. Nankan somen noodles have been a specialty product of the town since the Edo period. They are made entirely by hand and no machines are used. There are currently 10 factories in town that continue making the noodles in the traditional way. The poet Hakushu Kitahara had deep connections with Nankan Town, and he loved the noodles, describing the making of somen in a poem. This is Nankan age, a specialty product. It's made by frying thin slices of tofu in low temperature and high temperature oil to make them crisp. It's been made since the old days as a preserved food, and it's an indispensable ingredient in traditional cuisine as well as local delicacies. Kurobo is a confectionery popular as a Nankan Town souvenir. It has the gentle, nostalgic flavor of brown sugar.
おいしい。甘い。ちょうどいい甘さだね。
何口も進んじゃうね。
たまらない？
Hotel Sekiya stands on a mountain covered in lush greenery.
あ、綺麗。
綺麗だね。広いね。
素敵。
Guest rooms offer panoramic views of Nankan Town.
すごいいい景色。ねえ。すごい綺麗だね。綺麗。
ねえ。癒される。
Nankan Town is blessed with lush greenery, nature, and history. Come and enjoy the warmth of the locals and spend a moment of relaxation. Nankan Town awaits you with open arms.